Math Help Hotline. How may I help you? Well, if your house front is 48 feet across, and each set of Christmas lights is 6 feet long, then you'll need to purchase 8 sets of lights. You see? 48 divided by 6 is 8. Yep, perfect. Of course, my pleasure. Happy holidays. Oh. Hello, Math Help Hotline. How may I help? I'm sorry that you're so stressed out. No, sorry, I can't take your finals for you. No, we don't do that around here. Yeah. Sorry. No, I don't know any tattoo artists. I wouldn't be able to tattoo some formulas for you, sorry. But I do hear that there's a nice relaxing math channel on YouTube. It's called Decaf-Math ASMR, if you want to check that out. If you end up liking it, then you should subscribe. Does that help? Okay, good. Go check that out. Okay, good luck. Okay, bye-bye. Math Help Hotline, how may I help you? No, this isn't the Math Helpline. This is the Math Helpline. Well, I kind of assume that if you turn on the porch light, that should do the trick. Okay, give that a try. Okay, sure. Bye-bye now. Happy holidays. Oops. Math Helpline, how may I assist you? Oh, yeah, sure. I'll transfer you over to Decaf Ross, no problem. I'm sure he'll be happy to get you some whiteboard primer and some expos. I'll let him know. Okay, bye-bye. Line 2. Decaf Ross. Line 2 for you. Math Helpline.
Oh.
How may I assist you?
Yes, thank goodness, yes. I do need some assistance. Where do I start? It all began 12 days ago, and now I'm just completely overwhelmed.
Oh dear, okay. Alright. Well, why don't we start with a few deep breaths first, and then you can tell me all about it, okay? So let's take a deep breath in and out. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Deep breath in and out. Okay, so let's start from the beginning.
Okay. Well, it all began with a partridge.
A partridge? Okay. Like the bird? Okay.
Yes, a partridge in a pear tree. My true love gave it to me for Christmas. And at first I thought, how strange but charming. No one had ever given me a gift like that before.
Yeah, okay. So that sounds, nice.
Yes, he's a very creative gift giver. But in this case, that's kind of the problem. You see, he's the kind of guy who likes to make grand gestures, and that's one of the things I love about him. But in this case, he's just taken things a bit too far. What have I told you about milking in the house? No milking in the house. No cows. I'm sorry. Sorry about that.
That's okay. Okay, so, if he didn't stop at the partridge and the pear tree, then what else was there?
Well, the problem is that the gifts just keep coming. I mean, the day after the partridge, he sent 2 turtle doves. They really are precious. But I put them in the pear tree with the partridge, and that was fine. But the next day he sent 3 French hens, and the hens just will not stay in a tree. And after that, it was 4 calling birds. So the tree is practically an aviary now.
Okay, then. I better start taking some notes, I think. This does sound like quite a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you on speakerphone right now, okay? And then I'm gonna grab some notes, maybe a pencil and some paper. We'll see what we can do together, okay? Okay, just one moment, all right? Alright, so I'm gonna grab some Post-its maybe. Let me just grab a Post-it here. Just jot down those birds. Just grab this whole batch. Okay, so, hello? Okay, so we said 1 partridge in a pear tree, 2 turtle doves, okay, 3 French hens, okay, and 4 calling birds. All right. So that's 1 plus 2 is 3, plus another 3 is 6, plus 4 would be 10. So 10 birds total, it sounds like. Okay, can you hear me? Okay, so 10 birds total. That's a lot of birds. Do you have the right number though? Like, do you need the phone number to Avian Hotline? Because that's what it sounds like you need.
No. It's definitely math help. You see, after the birds, well, he sent 5 golden rings, and, well, no problem there. I'll be keeping those. But the real trouble started.
More birds, I'm guessing?
Well, yes, actually. 6 geese a laying and 7 swans a swimming. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes.
Okay, 6 geese laying, 7 swans. So that's 6 plus 7 is another 13 birds. It's 23 birds in total. Okay.
Is that all? Feels like so many more. Well, the good news is that's all the birds. He stopped sending birds, but, well, that's all the birds until the goose eggs hatch. Anyway, it gets worse. After the birds, he started sending people.
People? Is that even allowed?
No, I don't think it is. But he did it. So let me just tell you quickly and get it over with. After the birds, my true love sent to me 8 maids a milking, and then there were 9 ladies dancing. Beautiful, oh my goodness, their dresses are just fantastic. Maybe I'll just keep the dresses. Anyway, I guess I shouldn't take them. 10 lords a leaving. Boy, are they annoying. 11 pipers piping. And these are none of your toodly-doo pipes. They're bagpipers. And finally, worst of all, 12 drummers drumming. Day and night drumming. I'm going to go insane. It's wild in here.
Well, it does sound like quite something. I can see why you're feeling overwhelmed, but I'm not really sure how I can help you.
Well, here's the thing. They're all gifts from my true love, so I can't regift them or get rid of them. And it seems he promised the maids, ladies, lords, pipers, and drummers that they could stay and be paid for their services in perpetuity. So my problem is, where do I put them all? I mean, how do I store gifts like this? I don't have the room for them. My love says that money is no object and I should go ahead and house them. What I need help with is figuring out how much room I need to store these, not the rings, but the birds and people. They just can't stay here.
Okay, so let's see. I've never had a problem here that we can't solve, so I have to get this. Let's see. So maybe we can fit the pear tree in a cone-shaped kind of package. So the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. Can you estimate how tall the tree is, please? Hello? Hello? How tall would you say the tree is?
Is anyone picking up those eggs? I'm sorry. Right, maybe 7 feet or so?
Okay, well, and then maybe we'll want to, put all those birds in cages, and we could do the kind where, we have maybe like a cylinder, which is volume pi r squared h, and, let's see, half a sphere maybe on top of that cage, so that would be 4/3 pi r cubed. But we want only half of that, so that'll be 2/3 pi r cubed. All right. So we have 2/3 pi r cubed plus pi r squared h. So, right? Yeah. Does that help? Hello. Okay, well, anyway, why don't I just do the calculations for you and start working on them? Because, yeah, I'm getting kind of overwhelmed, and I know math can solve this. I know we can do this. So, let's see, we have, the Lords are leaping, and we don't want them to leap away, so we'll probably want to stick them inside like a prism or something, so they just don't leap away, and then we'll stick the dancing ladies in maybe a sphere. Yeah. We have to count for the skirts, though. We don't want that to be too wide. Okay, we want that to fit in there. So, what else do we need to do? So I think everything else could go into a pyramid, though. Yeah, I think that'd be fine. A pyramid or a prism, we can just box everything up, and I don't know if you can really box up people like that, but I don't know if you can even send people like that, so who even knows? Not my problem, I suppose. Okay, so, hello, are you there? You'll need approximately 5,173.22 plus 254 pi cubic feet. I think. Oh, wait, no. I was off by one a little bit, but approximately 5,173.23 plus 254 pi cubic feet. And you will have 73 packages, 78 in total, but you can wear your rings, right? So, does that help? I hope that helps.
Oh, sorry. Yes. Well, should I return them? I could just get them back to him. I mean, obviously he thinks they're a good idea. Yes, I better. He'll be so disappointed, but I just can't stand this racket. I can't think. I don't suppose you could help me print out 78 labels? And I better make it kind of nice. I should attach thank you cards on glossy paper. And, I'll send extra gifts on top of them to make up for the rest of the days of Christmas. And, let's see, can you help me calculate how much it costs to ship all of this by reindeer and sleigh? And it has to get there before Christmas Day. Oh, and I'll need to know how much ribbon to use and how much paper I'll need. And I should send him some cookies as a thank you. So I'll need 3 cups of flour, at least a teaspoon of vanilla, and really I prefer to do more. And then, let's see, I've got to make sure I've got brown sugar. How much brown sugar is it going to be? We already know that
Okay. Yes, this does sound like quite the happy little project that you have going here, and I really do wish I could stay and help, really, but I think there might be someone else here who may be a little more equipped to handle all this, and let me just go ahead and transfer you, okay? Okay. Hold on. Okay, good luck. Bye-bye. Hello there, my friend. This is Decaf Ross speaking. It's wonderful to have you call the Math Help Hotline. Oh yes, it's a wonderful day here. Thank you for asking. I hope that you're having a wonderful day wherever you are too, my friend. What can I do for you?